50% of all businesses, all small businesses, fail within the first 5 years. Did you know that 20% fail in the first year? Another 30% fail in the second year. By year 10, 70% of small businesses fail. 30% in year 10 will survive. 50% in year 5. What does that tell you? It tells you that there is a way forward, but it may not be as automatic as one would like. And we know that small business ownership and entrepreneurship is the ticket, or it is the doorway to the good life. So here, we're going to give you some keys to the good life to make it so that you're the 3 in 10. You're the 1 out of 2 that will make it. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should understand taxes. Very important to understand it. Not necessarily know it. That's why you hire somebody, but you need to understand it. Number 1, every small business owner should understand that they need to claim all of their income and deduct all of their expenses. That's very important. Everything that comes into your account as cash is not income, and everything that goes out is not expenses. But understanding what is income and what are legitimate business expenses will help you when understanding what you pay in taxes. Number 2, understand the difference between gross and net income. Gross income is the total amount that you make. Net income is the amount that you make minus the expenses. Again, this is where you pay your taxes on what falls to the bottom. Basically, that's your profit margin. Number 3, separate your business from your personal. In taxes, small businesses can write off business-related expenses. However, you can't intertwine personal things inside of your business account. So to make it easy for doing your taxes for your bookkeeper, do not use your business account to pay for things that are personal. Keep them totally separate. It makes it so much cleaner and easier, and it saves you a lot of headache in the long run by putting up a little effort in the short term. Number 4, only pay what is required, which means maximize your deductions. That's those expenses that are business related. And there are some personal items that you may have that you use for business, like if you use your vehicle for business, if you use your cell phone for business, if you use a portion of your house for business. There are things that you probably overlook, which means you're not taking those deductions, which means that you're paying more in taxes. You don't want to do that, so you want to maximize your deductions and only pay what's required. Number 5, contribute to a retirement plan. Now, this is the one thing that small business owners don't do. About half of small businesses don't plan for retirement. You need to maximize your savings. And you do that because that is a deduction to the business, which lowers your taxable income. It means you pay less in taxes by saving money for yourself for later on. So that's why it's important to make sure that you're with the right team and with the right people that can look for those things to help you maximize your savings, maximize your deductions, minimize your tax liability, and basically open up more cash flow to you, which, as we know, is one of the keys to the good life. So if you like this video and some of the information, if not all of the information, was helpful or useful to you, please hit the share, like, and notification button. Hit the subscribe button below, and we'll be loading new videos every week of business-related topics. Please leave your comments and your questions below. Any business-related question, we'll try to get to as many as we can. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in the good life.